In the previous videos of the chapter 2nd geography, the physical feature of India, we discussed the geographical divisions of the India that are the Himalaya mountain, the northern plain, the Peninsular plateau, the Indian desert and the coastal plain. And in this video we will discuss the last geographical division of the India, that is a island. India has two groups of island. One is a Lakshadweep island and the other is a Andaman and a Nicobar island. The Lakshadweep Island. The Lakshadweep Island lie close to the Malabar coast of the Kerala and it lies in the Arabian Sea. And this group of island is composed of the small coral island. Corals. Corals are the small, sedentary marine animals, means they are living in the sea, with a calcareous horny skeleton. And these thrive in warm, shallow water and grow into a large colony. They secretes, means their wastes make a hard rock like large colonies and a hard rock like substance, and a coral secretion and their skeleton form coral deposit in the form of the reef. Reef is a horseshoe shape and mainly three kinds of the reefs are formed: barrier reef, fringing reef and atolls. The Great Barrier Reef of the Australia and the Lakshadweep Island are the good example of the barrier reefs. The Lakshadweep Islands were earlier known as Lakadweep, Minicoy and Amendip, but in 1973 these were named as Lakshadweep. It covers a small area of the 32 square kilometer. Kavaratti is its capital and its administrative headquarters of the Lakshadweep. And the PT Island, which is uninhabited, means that is not suitable for the habitation, has a bird sanctuary. The next is the Andaman and the Nicobar Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Island is an elongate chain, means that there is a long chain of the island that located in the Bay of Bengal. They are bigger in size and more numerous and scattered, means they are diverted. The entire group of island is divided into the two broad categories: the Andaman Island in the north and the Nicobar Island in the south. It is believed that these islands are an elevated portion of the submarine mountains, means in the Brahmaputra rivers. After the Brahmaputra rivers, the Himalaya mountain submerged in the Bay of Bengal, then it has again appear and that form the Andaman and the Nicobar Island. And these islands are an elevated portion of the submarine mountains. And these islands lie close to the equator and experience equatorial climate and have a thick forest cover. And because of this, there is a great diversity of the flora and the fauna here. And along this, we discussed in these chapters about the geographical division of the India, that are the mountains, that are the major source of water and the forest well. The northern plain are the granaries of the country, means they provide food to the country. The plateau, that is a storehouse of the minerals, which has played a crucial role in the industrialization of the country, that known as a backbone of the country. And a coastal region and island groups that provide sites for fishing and port activities and for the tourists also. And according to this, the chapter 2nd geography, physical feature of India is completed.